Hey everybody, welcome back to, I'm going to do a video series on this, just small little videos along the way, just short and quick. What we're looking at is our headboard area, underneath our headboard, storage area on basically the back passenger side of the little trailer. I don't have any power back here, no 120. I've got some USBs up top here that we just charge our phones with, but I want to just have a little bit more back here, and rather than run a separate 120 volt 14.3 back here, 14.2 back here, I'm going to do a little bit different system. What I'm going to have is I'm going to have this battery, obviously. I've got my Rover MPPT solar charge controller, 40 amp. And back this way, I'm going to have my solar coming in. I'm going to split it with two bus bars, two little bus bars. And what I want to do is, when the solar comes in, I'm going to split it, have it come up underneath our headboard, and it's going to go up to an XT60. The XT60, I can charge my power stations with solar. Now, I've got a little Blue Eddy AC2A, about 200 watt hour little power station, and that's going to supply power for us in this area. I'm not going to need anything bigger than that. I do have 3 other power stations, and I'm looking at getting a new Renogy one soon. But for now, I've just got the little Blue Eddy that I'm going to be powering up. And rather than run with an inverter in this area, I am going to run with a power station instead. So the solar is going to come in, it's going to split, it's going to go up, and then it's going to come through. It's going to go through my solar charge controller. It's going to come through and charge this battery for me. What to do is I am going to hook up one of these panels. Gives me the voltage readout, so I know what my battery's at all the time. It's heated in Bluetooth, so it gives me that reading as well, but this is just a quick visual for me. It's got some USBs in behind here, and it's also got the 3 cigarette lighters. So this is going to power. I have a 12 volt heated blanket for the wife here. Before we come in at night, we'll just run it for probably 15-20 minutes, just warm up the sheets, so that when we come in, it's nice and warm. That's what the plan is, and that's where we're at right now. I'm just planning everything, getting everything in place, kind of figuring out stuff. I've got my propane stove has got to go in here as well, so that's going to sit right there. And the tripod is sitting on a 17-inch Blackstone that I also use as well. So, but this is going to be my area to work with, and I'm going to be able to shut it off with these small DC circuit breakers, 15 amp. They're just small. That's going to be my solar interrupt as well. So then that way I can send power up to the XTC, or I can have power come through here and then charge the battery. So I've gone with bus bars larger than I need, but this gives me room for upgrades. Of course, we're never done these things. We're always upgrading them and playing with them. So, and that's what I'm doing with this. I've got 2 of the new 16 bus bar 100 watt regular solar panels from Renogy. I'm looking to get 2 more shadow flux panels because I want to do side-by-side comparisons at the front of the trailer this way. It's just a 14-foot box on this trailer basically. Underneath the dinette I have a 40 amp Rover MPPT solar charge controller, so I can put 2 panels, 2 different arrays together, same sun, and I can do comparisons between panels. I also have some older panels that I have, and I love them. They're really good. They're Renogy panels, and they're rigid panels. I use those as my portable panels, but with the shadow flux coming out and everybody ranting and raving. I'm going to do my own tests, and I'm going to put them on my channel with all the numbers so that we know exactly what's happening with the same sun, the same angle, and identical situations between two of the same controllers. The only difference is it's going to be through these two controllers. They're a little bit different, plus or minus the percentage of charge coming through. It's going to be very minimal, but it's going to give us side-by-side comparisons, and that's the whole idea of doing this. All right, so yeah, I'll do videos maybe once a week or whichever. I'm tight in the garage, and we're going to try and get this upgrade done, and we'll talk to you on the next video. All right, thanks everybody. Like and subscribe, of course, and follow along. Should be fun. Thanks. Bye.